Damn.
Business opportunity. Opportunity refers to a favorable situation or chance that can lead to success or growth. It can come in various forms such as a job opening, a major project, or a partnership. Recognizing an opportunity and taking advantage of it can often lead to positive outcomes in both personal and professional life. It is important to be open-minded and curious in order to identify and seize opportunities. To use any business opportunity, there are a few steps you can follow. 1. Research. Find out everything you can about the business opportunity you are interested in. Look at the product or service being offered, the target market, the competition, and the financial requirements. 2. Evaluate. Consider the pros and cons of the opportunity. Think about your skills, experience, and resources. Determine if this business opportunity aligns with your personal and professional goals. 3. Plan. Create a business plan that outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and other important aspects of the business. 4. Execute. Implement your plan and work hard to make your business successful. Stay focused, stay motivated, and be willing to adapt to changes as needed. 5. Monitor. Continuously monitor your business's performance and make necessary adjustments to improve profitability and sustainability. Remember, no business opportunity is a guaranteed success, but with proper research, evaluation, planning, execution, and monitoring, you can increase your chances of success. Thank you.